Alkechen. My age is 74 years. I am basically a textile technologist and presently I am staying in Surat, Gujarat. Before starting this mineral water business, I was serving a textile industry. See, during my career, I was working abroad also, and there, in one of my responsibilities was to look after a mineral water plant also, other than other businesses which I was doing. See, when I came back to India, I came in contact with Dharmanandan Techno Projects, and I discussed about putting up a plant in India, and they guided me and told me about how to blend the material and how to start. I find them quite committed, and one thing more I can tell, that whatever they say they do, and they are really very, very helpful. I have taken the whole of plant from Dharmanandan, and I have started it about 4 months back, and I find the machines to be quite good, free from any problems, and their services are also right. See, my immediate plan is to go for a automatic blow molding machine. This is to replace my semi-automatic machine. I want more production, so maybe in next 3 months I am going for this with the one. My last month's sale was 32,000 pieces of cartoons. That's what I do.